Good morning, everyone. It is 6 a.m. on Thursday morning. If you have been watching my channel for a while, you know that usually I post it Thursdays at 11 a.m. But if you're new to my channel, welcome. Usually I am over here tucked away in my office. I got my lights, I got my microphone, I'm showered usually. But this episode is going to be a little bit different, mainly because this is the current state of my house. Got my toilet right there in the hallway. We bought ourselves a little fixer-upper about 9 months ago, and we've been tinkering around at the renovations. The quarantine has kind of delayed some plans and accelerated others, but actually it's been pretty nice to be stuck at home and being able to do all the renovations ourselves. Which brings me to this week's tip. Paint is cheap, wood is cheap, but the most expensive part in any renovation is the labor. So if you have the physical ability to be able to do all, most, or even just part of the work yourself, you're gonna save yourself huge amounts of money. Quick example, my wife and I were able to save us $2,000 just by doing the demolition on this floor. Which, by the way, in case you haven't been fortunate enough to demolish a home, is really, really fun. Honestly, I probably would have done it even if it didn't save us any money. And there's nothing quite like taking your frustrations with being stuck at home out on the drywall. But even if, like this, you're only able to do a small portion of it yourself, you're able to reallocate that money into either some nicer upgrades in your reno budget, or you can invest what you save toward your financial freedom. We will talk in some future episodes about renovations and real estate and rental property income and things like that. But as far as renovations go, whether it's new paint, new flooring, taking out a wall, renovations are a great way to add long-term value to your home. And it's the only sort of investment that is both immediate and delayed gratification. Delayed in that you won't see your earning potential until you actually go to sell, and immediate in the sense that you get to enjoy all the upgrades that you're making from the second they're done. Utilize your family and friends, pay them with beer and pizza. Renovation can be really, really fun if you make it. And even if you're completely inexperienced or scared to get started, if you're watching this video, if you're watching my channel, then you're already familiar with the concept of teaching yourself something new on YouTube. You can easily use it to teach yourself home improvement. So that's it. Do what you can, save what you can, invest the rest, or stretch your budget and put it into something else in the house. But renovations, when it comes to real estate, is a great way to get both immediate and delayed gratification with your investment. Thanks for tuning in. Be sure to subscribe if you want to see how this mess turns out, and I'll see you all next week with another tip.